I'm gonna run up.
Hi guys. Today we are going to do a song about Jesus. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start.
Jesus rescued us from sin. Jesus never sinned, not even once. He lived a perfect life, but every one of us has done wrong things and sinful things. We deserve the punishment our sin, and there is nothing we can do to save ourselves. We can never be good enough. We must be rescued and forgiven. Jesus said he is like the shepherd, and we are like the sheep. Sheep are helpless animals. They wander off and become lost or into danger. To make things worse, they couldn't save themselves. They must be rescued by the shepherd who is wise and strong. God is much wise and stronger than us. Jesus said, I'm good shepherd. I know my sheep, and my sheep know me. The good shepherd gives his life for the sheep. Jesus promised to rescue us by giving up his life. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.